Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today is February 23rd, and we are doing a pre-market review, and we'll see how stocks are doing, what we can expect. And if you like the content, please hit the like button. It only takes 1 second to hit the like, and please share with your friends and family and subscribe to my YouTube. I will really appreciate that. Help me grow this channel. All right, so let's start with S&P 500 cycle analysis, and you can see what we are seeing right now here. We are in this rising phase, and that's what we are seeing. We got this pump here yesterday, and if you see my video a couple of days ago, I was saying we're sitting right on this white support. Let me make this a bit bigger so for you guys to quickly see. So a couple of days ago, I was saying we are on this 20 moving average. We are sitting right on support, and you should be looking to buy on support. And look what happened, boom and bounce. All right. So anyhow, so you can see in cycle analysis, we are looking for this cycle to top somewhere around first week of March. And so I think I'm still expecting a little bit more upside from here before we start going a descent. So looking for now, let me bring this here. So if I add line here, looking for little higher prices until first week of March, and then looking for a descent later on. All right, so that's what I'm expecting. So let's keep that in mind at high level, and we will analyze everything else based on that. All right, so let's go to MES. All right, so this is S&P 500 futures, and you can see we are in right now going very extreme levels here. So new all-time high, and this is day trading chart only for day. Left side is only for today's trade, right side is daily chart for long-term trade. So you can see what's happening. We're in a very overbought territory near sell zone. So the levels are around 51.12, 51.26, 50.56. Ideally, I would like this level to short, and I would like this to go a little down at least to around 50.78, and then bulls to buy the dip. But right now, if we go higher than 51.11, then that's a good area to short here. All right. So from where we are right now, looking for if we go around 0.3, 0.4% higher, this is a good area where you could look to short this rally, or look to take very quick profits, be in front of computer 1 minute candles, try to short this and take profit. So this is the area, what I'm trying to say is good area to short if you really want to do that. All right. And one other thing you want to see, we are making a new high on daily chart with divergence. You can see divergence on PPO and RSI. This is RSI, this is PPO. Big divergence, which means price is going higher, RSI and PPO is going lower, so momentum is going lower. So that means we got to be a bit careful. It doesn't mean divergence does not mean you short. It's just an alert that you have to be careful. We are going very extreme levels here. All right, so that covers S&P 500. Let's go to Nasdaq MNQ. So we haven't made a new all-time high. Actually, we did close at new all-time high yesterday, and we're still trying to go higher. Still massive divergence. Same thing here. And you can see in the day trading chart, we're also in sell zone here. So we are above 18,047. The levels are 18,122 and 18,195. So anything here in this upper box is a good area to short. So from here, 0.42% higher, this is a good area where you can find big resistance. We are at new all-time high on a daily chart, so sky is the limit. But this short-term chart is saying we could find some weakness in this upper box here. Okay, so 18,120 to 18,195. Remember there, that's where we should be looking to get some downwards pressure. All right, Dow Jones also new all-time high. Same story there. Divergences everywhere, and here the levels are 39,176. Also, this is also in the sell zone right now. So you should not be interested in buying this. Okay, you should be okay. Wait for a dip. All right. So this is not a level you want to be buying. You have to wait for a dip to at least 38,835. All right. And actually, let's go back to MES. The dip is around 50.68. This is a buy zone, and MNQ, the buy zone is around 17,855. All right. I just wanted to make sure I clear that. Russell 2000. Yeah, if you want to buy, Russell 2000 is also a good area to buy. Right now it's in the chop zone, middle zone. You have to wait for 1994 and below to buy Russell 2000. That's where you can see when I move cursor here in the green zone, you can see on the right side this also moves, showing moving averages. Let me zoom in so it's clear. So you can see moving averages here. So this is around 20 moving averages of first support, which is sitting right now around 1993. All right, gold. So let's look at gold here on short-term chart and long-term chart. Gold is sitting in front of resistance, maybe trying to make a flag, but right now in the chop zone. Okay, I'm not interested to buy gold here. I will be waiting for gold to either go below 2016 to buy, or it has to go above 2032 to find resistance. Silver. So silver is also a good trade right now. I took a quick trade yesterday around green line, so I will be looking to take profit this morning. So silver is again the levels are 2062, 2262 and below. Look to buy. Trying to recover. Broke down today. Let's see if it can recover this 20 moving average. The resistance ideal area to sell is around here 2290.62, which is this 50 EMA. Let's see if it can reach there. All right. Tesla. All right. So Tesla down pre-market, but the levels are 191.47 and below. Look to buy. Still holding good, very good. You can see green line cross above white line. So looking for this gap fill 206 as our next target, which is here. So I think that will happen. We just got to be a bit patient. All right. Apple. So look at Apple in the sell zone, near extreme sell zones, little bit down pre-market. There's a gap here on 182. I don't know if it's going to be filled, but it's facing resistance on this green line here, which is 10 moving average. There's a gap around 186.88. So that's going to be our next target. Also, if it go down, 181.14 is the target to buy again. I also have a 7 counts buy signal on Apple here. I got it day before yesterday, so keep that in mind. Google also trying its best, facing this resistance on this trend line, back testing. Also, there's a gap here. So anyhow, so on the short term, 180, 142 and below, you look to buy Google. Crude oil. Let's look at oil here. The levels on crude oil are here. Oh, it's in the buy zone, guys. Okay, so short term, it's in the buy zone, just bouncing right now. 8:46 a.m. Eastern, so 77.11 and below is the buy zone, and you can see even on a daily chart, right where it is right now, it's in the buy zone. Okay, so this is an area you should be looking to buy oil miners and oil, natural gas. Let's go to short-term chart and long-term chart. Natural gas in the buy zone, just touching buy zone as we are talking, and you can see long-term chart we broke out, back testing this green line. Let's see if it can recover and close above that. If not, then there is a gap around 1.493. That's where I will be looking to buy natural gas, and that's what my target is. I think by March we should hit that, and that's where I'm going to be buying heavily natural gas. And the dollar index, let's go here. Let's go here. So dollar index is going closer to buy zone. 103.71 is the buy zone, and that's where this will be going towards support around 50 moving average. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now coming closer to buy zone. 57.37 and below is the buy zone. You can see just kind of. I don't think it's a flag. I don't know what kind of pattern is this. Very like trying to go down. I think there's a rising 20 moving average coming, so that could be a nice support. And you can see that's where my buy levels are here. So getting very close to buy zone here. Bitcoin 5700 and below look to buy. Ethereum also you can see here just higher than buy zone. So 290907 and below look to buy. That's where this 10 moving average is coming. That's the area to buy. One thing to note on Ethereum, I released a short video. You can check my other videos. There's a gap around 2808. 2808, so that will be filled, I don't know when. So just be careful. Ethereum can still drop from there, from where it is right now to all the way to like 5% there down. So just keep that in mind. All right, so trade accordingly based on the risk you can take. All right, let's quickly go and scan commodities. Copper. Let's go with copper here. This is daily chart of copper. 7 count sell signal here on daily chart in the middle of nowhere. Copper neutral zone on a day trading chart. Wait for it to go below 3.87 to buy again. Palladium. Palladium also 8 count sell signal right now in the sell zone right now. So this is where you should be looking to short Palladium. Soybeans in the buy zone right now. This is where you should be looking to buy new low. 9 counts buy signal yesterday still going lower. Usually that's the best area to buy. So I think I'm expecting a bounce on soybeans very, very soon. Sugar. So Kane is the ETF if you want to buy sugar. So getting closer to buy zone 22.39 and below look to buy. Also getting a 9 counts buy signal on sugar. Wheat. Wheat right now facing some resistance near sell zone, actually came to neutral zone, so look to buy only below 557. Corn is, let's say, in the buy zone right now as we are talking. And let's quickly scan anything else very quickly. Newmont mine, biggest coal miner, was dumping yesterday because of bad earnings, and right now in the buy zone right now. Here you can see gold miners, GDX. Here you go. GDX is also in the buy zone. And let's quickly wrap up with some of the big tech stocks. All of them. Netflix is in the sell zone right now. You can see levels. I will be only looking to buy 573 and below. Amazon. You can see Amazon is also near the sell zone. Meta, Facebook. Let's go here with Meta. Here you go. Facebook also new highs in the sell zone. Microsoft is also near sell zone. Snowflakes is also near sell zone. NVDA massive gap up yesterday, and you can see my levels indicators is saying in second standard deviation. Very good area to short at this time, but sky is the limit. Opening on a gap up, I think it's going to come down to fill this gap eventually. AVGO. AVGO also new highs in the sell zone. AMD also in the sell zone right now. All right, and I think if you want to buy something like Shopify, which is in the buy zone sitting right now, you can see it's in the buy zone. Also, I also want to cover one thing before I forget. SPY is opening on a gap up in my opinion. Actually, it did open yesterday on a gap up, so let me quickly get that here. So you can see this massive gap here on daily chart. So, and that gap is going to be filled in the buy zone. So wait, be patient, guys. This is a massive gap. Eventually, it's going to be filled again. Triple Q is also open on a gap up. Dow Jones on a gap up. Other than that, nothing else open on a gap up. Like IWM did not open. So just be careful, guys. Just be patient. I think eventually these gaps will fill. You just have to be patient, and these are not the levels to be bullish. Okay, so these are the levels to take profits and just wait for the dip. Don't get too excited. Market is, nobody can predict market. So, anyhow, hopefully, guys, you liked the content, and please hit the like button on your way out, and I will see you later. Bye.